to be the one, the only one who can withstand the test and be the best. Got to strive, keep up the drive, be a master. It takes a certain kind of skill, and I won't stop until 150 Pokemon are mine. I must define the art of capture. To be a master, Pokemon master, I will be writing a brand new chapter. Pokeball, go, go, all the children sing. Na, 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 na. Hey. It's all about the evolution of the Pokemon.
The end of the year is almost here.
Got my badges and my Pokeball. Got my buddy Pikachu.
Tonight we're gonna draw the legendary Pokemon Ho-Oh.
It's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. The training, attaining, and be a part of the phenomenon. Be a Pokemonster icon. Team Rocket will be long gone. But first you gotta know about the different types. Grass, fire, ground, flame, electric, water, rock, flying, ice, normal, bug, ghost, fighting, and dragon. Don't forget about psychics. To be a master, Pokemon master, I will be writing a brand new chapter, a brand new to be a master, Pokemon master, and I will be striving to be the greatest master. Pokeball, go, go, all the children sing. Like I said before, it's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. Somewhat impressive. Now you've reached
Alexa,
but not yet.
Alexa, play Black and White by Nate Wants to Battle.
Here's Black and White by Nate Wants to Battle on Amazon Music.
It's always hard when the journey begins.
Hard to find your way, hard to make amends.
But there's nothing you can do, 'cause you got the power inside you. It's never easy.
As you have remembered, Ho-Oh, also known as the Rainbow Pokemon, was the first legendary Pokemon Ash and Pikachu have ever got to meet. And get this, when the first episode of Pokemon got rebooted into an actual movie, Ash and Pikachu received the legendary Rainbow Wing. Sooner or later, Ash was first in line to become the next ever Rainbow Hero.
So many choices. How do we know?
So many places, where do we go?
What should I say?
What should I do?
Still we're together, me and you. It's always right on. As long as your spirit's strong, it's not always win-lose. It's the road you choose. The answer's within. It's not always black and white. Your heart always knows what's right. Let the journey begin, Pokemon. There's nothing you can't do, 'cause you've got the power inside of you. It's not always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's
There has been one fact about Ho-Oh. He soon becomes Ash's partner. That's right. In the next Pokemon Master Journey series, Ho-Oh is now one of Ash's friends and becomes one of his partner Pokemon. Sure is exciting. One of the best things I've ever seen. One last thing to draw, and that's the feathers on his tail. Alexa, play Beyond the Limits by Android Orchestra.
Beyond the Limit by Android Orchestra on Amazon Music.
And finished. That's how you draw Ho-Oh, the legendary Pokemon. When a feather is bestowed upon a hero, Ho-Oh shall appear. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.